Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out this Lemonade Craze Eyeshadow Palette by Maybelline. Now this is super cute and super affordable, and I love all the colors in here. You get 12 shades in here. If I can open it. These are the colors that you get, and I'm in love with this yellow shade. I'm super excited to try it out. Now, I got this at Walmart for like $8, I believe. And on the back, it has, you know, the shades and their names, and they do give you 3 different eye looks to do, or obviously you can do your own kind of thing. But I like that they give you the inspiration to do different looks. I think that's very neat, and I'm super excited to dive into this. So I really have no idea what kind of look I am going to do from this palette, but I am going to take this first shade Sherbet, which is kind of like a neutrally pink color, and they're kind of powdery. Not too bad though, and I'm just going to run this all over my lid because I did prime my eyes just to kind of soften everything up. Now I'm going to go right into Coral Punch here. It's a beautiful, like, light kind of pinky shade. And I'm just going to put this kind of on the outer corner, but kind of bring it in just a tiny, tiny bit. I'm going to go into Sweet Tea, and I'm using the same brush. And this is the Morphe M537, and I'm just going to put this really, really close to the lash line and just kind of smudge everything out. Now I'm going to go into Ice Pop, which is this very vibrant pinky shade, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit and really concentrate that on the outer corner. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. You guys, this already looks so beautiful. I am loving how these blend out, how the pigment is, and they are just so, so nice. Now I'm going to take a Morphe R39 brush. I'm going to go into this yellow shade, Lemonade Craze. And I'm just going to pack this all over the lid from the inside to the middle-ish. I like this yellow because it's not too pigmented and orangey by any means. Go back in with Ice Pop and just kind of soften up where the two colors meet, but making this outer edge very vibrant pink. Now I'm going to go into the shade Berry up here and just kind of go right here on the lash line. I'm going to take the color Berry and just kind of smooth everything out on the edges. So now I'm going to go into the shade Citrus, which is like a nice kind of goldy, bronzy, shimmery shade. And I'm using a Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just going to put it like right here. So we're just going to use the finger tip and just get on in here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Now this citrus shade is beautiful, but you can see it is big chunks of glitter. Now if you don't like that, then just beware. I think it's very beautiful. I don't really mind it. And I'm just gonna go into the palette again and take a little bit of Ice Pop and a little bit of Coral Punch just to kind of soften everything up. And for the inner corner, I'm going to go into this Strawberry Lemonade shimmery pinky shade. That's almost coming off a tiny bit purple, which I don't really mind, but I just was not expecting that. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to go into this Main Squeeze kind of shimmery shade. just to see what it's like on the inner corner. Oh, that's better. That's like more iridescent-y kind of thing. Still has big chunks of glitter, just like the other one. Into Old Fashioned right here, this nice chocolatey kind of brown shade, and just get like right here. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of Sweet Tea and a little bit of Coral Punch and just kind of mix these. And then just go right under. So here are some swatches for you guys from left to right. We have Sherbet, then Citrus, Main Squeeze, Sweet Tea, Berry Ice, Sunnies, Strawberry Lemonade, and Lemonade Craze. And then up top we have Ice Pop, Coral Punch, Old Fashioned, and Sugar Coated. So this is the finished look, and I had so much fun using this palette. I think it's so beautiful. I love the colors. They didn't have fallout or anything, and I just think this is a really great affordable palette. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, I'd be so happy to do that. I think everything just blended out so nicely. The pigment was nice. The only thing I have to say is the kind of shimmery shades, Citrus and Main Squeeze, they do have kind of bigger glitter kind of particles in them, so they are kind of all over my face. I don't really mind the fallout with that, but I think they look very, very pretty. Yeah, so actually for, not using eyeshadow a lot, this is so easy to use and it's so versatile. If you guys want to see more looks, please leave that down in the comments section below. And I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.